Do you know that cooking is one of the most entertaining hobbies for men and women? Welcome again, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about an amazing niche that will help you more to make many sales on Redbubble. And of course, this amazing niche is cooking love. And believe me, many customers out there love purchasing a poster, wall print, or a sticker that contain a design about cooking love. And your customer could be a chef or cooking lover, or someone who want to decorate his kitchen with an aesthetic poster or print that contain a design about kitchen love, cooking skills, or how to prepare a given dish. And to get you straight to this point, let me show you one of my recent sales regarding this amazing niche. Let's go. As here you have made a sale, and this sale was 10 hours ago. Congratulations on your recent sale on Redbubble. And this customer in Australia, and our design about cooking love, like this one poster of funny chef sayings, as you see, and your margin would be like that, $3. And of course, I have made many sales about this amazing niche, cooking lover, kitchen love, cooking skills, and so on, like this one. For example, one sticker of funny chef quotes, choose your weapons, as you see. It's a beautiful design. And this amazing one, as you see, one photographic print of funny kitchen quotes, funny kitchen sign. And believe me, many customers love purchasing these signs, these posters, these stickers that express their love to kitchen, cooking, and so on. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to create these such amazing designs and how to get organic sales from Redbubble search results. And first of all, how to get these quotes or these sayings about cooking or kitchen lover or chef sayings. Simply, you have to head to google.com and you can type something like cooking lover quotes or cooking lover sayings or chef sayings or funny chef sayings and something. And then you can find hundreds or even thousands of articles and websites that talk about these amazing quotes and funny sayings. So you can get one of these or all these quotes to create your amazing designs. And of course, to create your design, you have many ways apart from using some professional softwares like Photoshop or Illustrator. And of course, I have talked about in a big playlist how to create your designs, simple and attractive designs, using some simple websites like Canva.com, Vista Create, or some phone applications. Of course, you can find this big list below in the description box. So simply and easily, we can head to Canva.com to create your design. So here you can just custom your design, create your design here, and insert your dimensions. For example, 5,000 for width and height to create your amazing design about cooking lover. Therefore, you could insert here your quote that you get from google.com, like this one, for example. Cooking is like painting or writing a song. Okay, and of course, you have to make your design expressive to cooking love by adding some attractive vectors and graphics. Like you can add vector about the salt, pepper, chili, onions, garlic, knives, chef hat, and something like that. And of course, you can find all these graphics on canva.com. For example, you can get here elements, and here you can look for anything about cooking or chef or preparing a meal or something like that, like chili, for example. And here you can find a huge amount of this one, as you see, for graphics, as you see, that you can use professionally on your design. And of course, you have to select a suitable font, or you can use a related font that you can get from google.com. So you can go to Google and write here something about cooking fonts, and then you can find tens and hundreds of websites that provide you with amazing relevant fonts, some free and other premium websites like this one, 1000fonts.com. Here you can find some free fonts like this one and this one, free for personal and commercial use, and all the rest of these fonts are premium fonts. or from premium websites like Creative Fabrica. As you see, you can find here some amazing related cooking fonts, as you see. perfect to make your design more attractive and more expressive to cook and love. And now we have made our design from the amazing code, graphics and vectors and relevant font. So now have to optimize your design to SEO or to get sales organically from Redbubble search results. And I always tell you, you have to keep in your mind, you have to optimize your title, tags and description. And as for title, you have to select the main keyword that has less competition or has less search results. For example, if we head to redbubble.com and here you can type here something about cooking, like cooking, for example, that's simple. As here you can find a huge amount of search results. And up here you'll find some suggestions or the most searched terms on Redbubble that are related to that seed keyword, like chemical engineer, cook, chef, chef by night, cuisine, chef's recipe, ingredient, spices, and so on and so forth. Like cooking lover, so you can click over that. It's an amazing choice, by the way. And then you can find less search results. So you can go through this amazing keyword, or you can try one of these beautiful suggestions as well, like chef funny sayings or chef funny quotes. As you see, cooking, chef, delicious food, okay, flour, bacon lover, and so on and so forth, to get your desired keyword or your main keyword that you can use on your title of your design. And to get your tags, of course, I have talked about over 10 ways to get your Redbubble tags professionally and simply. One of them is PubbleSpy.com, amazing tool that will help you more in your Redbubble business. And among all of these beautiful tools is you can get relevant tags to your design. So how to do that simply and quickly? You can go to this drop down menu and select tag generator. Okay, and here you can insert your seed keyword like lover, as you see, and find tags. And here you can find a huge amount of relevant and related tags like cooking, chef, cook, food, funny, kitchen, foodie, food lover, bacon, humor, cute, and so on and so forth, as you see. And of course you can copy them to your design. Of course you can add some long tail keywords like cooking lover quotes or cooking lover sayings, like kitchen lover quotes or something like that, because someone could search for these keywords or long tail keywords. Okay, as you see, perfect. Just you can copy them to your design. And regarding the description of your design, so what does it mean by description of your design and what its importance is? Description of your design is some sentences that describe your design plus a call to action that motivate your customer to purchase your product. So how to get the description of your design? Of course you can write it down yourself, or you can get help from some artificial intelligence tools. And of course I have talked about that in detail in a previous video, like copy.ai that you can use for free, or Nichescom. It is an amazing tool, by the way, where you can get high quality copies for your social media marketing campaigns and your blog business and your YouTube business. Or simplified.com. It's an amazing website. It gathers many tools in one tool. As here you can make your graphic design and your video and some copies and publishing your posts and your copies directly to your social media accounts. And as for our today's topic and our today's purpose, to get some descriptions of your design, so you can go to this one, AI written, of course, and go to new document and use a written template, and we can look for product description quickly and simply. Product description, as you see, this one. Perfect. And here you can insert your details about your design. And by the way, you have to know that the design of Cooking Love is frequently sold in some amazing items like stickers, wall prints, posters, and aprons. So here you can something about stickers. Okay, and stickers like this one for example, and just you can click over this button, generate, and just a few seconds you can find some amazing and attractive description of your item and your design that you can use directly on your Redbubble description box. As you see, our stickers are the perfect way to show your loved ones how much you care about them. Our Cook and Love stickers feature beautiful and hand-drawn designs and so on and so forth, as you see. So now in this video, you have known how to make your design about Cook and Lover, how to optimize your design for search engine optimization on Redbubble to get more sales organically. And this is, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.